our property searchers. For today's video, I will give you a tour to this modern design, 2-story house and lot, one of the safest residential estate. So let's go and let's check what is inside. This is the front of the house. Here, you have a carport for your vehicle. But before we go inside the house, let us check the backyard of this property. In the left side of the carport, there would be an access, so it will take you to your huge backyard. Here, you can make a portable swimming pool or kiddos playground. And this is your neighbor. Now, let's check it out. What is inside this 2-story house? We're in. So as we enter, we have this receiving area, which is open, and you can see the stairs that leads to the second floor. And on your left side, the master bedroom door. And the major furniture that you'll be seeing here will be included.
I can see you got feelings you ain't showing. Make believe that you don't need your emotions. Slide on me, always living in the morning before I speak. What's love gotta do with? Baby, start outside. I'll always slide your way, and it's cold outside. Hiding my arms, ooh, it's dangerous outside. Come to my house, yeah, everything is alright. Ooh, that's alright. Gentle on the fat town, I think it's love. I can see you got feelings you ain't showing. Make believe that you don't need your emotions. Slide on me, always living in the morning before I speak. What's love gotta do with? Baby, start outside.
Next, we are going to second floor with 3 bedrooms. In the left side of the stair, there is a door for your storage room.
Start outside, I'll always slide your way, and it's cold outside. Hiding my arms, ooh, it's dangerous.
We're here in the second floor.
I can see.
Again, all major furniture and appliances that you'll be seeing here will be included.
Oh, so what is wrong with that? I'm not gonna be like everybody wants. Oh, so what is wrong with that? I'm not gonna be like everybody wants.
And then, this hallway leads you to the 3 bedrooms.
I can see you got feelings you ain't showing. Make believe that you don't need your emotions. Slide on me, always living in the morning before I speak. What's love gotta do with? Baby, start outside. I'll always slide your way, and it's cold outside. Hiding my arms, ooh, it's dangerous outside. Come to my house, yeah, everything is alright. Ooh, that's alright. Gentle on the fat town, I think it's love. I can see you got feelings you ain't showing. Make believe that you don't need your emotions. Slide on me, always living in the morning before I speak. What's love gotta do with? Baby, start out.
The price of this house and lot for lease is 20 million pesos, and the remaining lease as of 2021 is 46 years. And this property is located at Binictican Subic Bay Freeport Zone. And according to Google Maps, the travel time from Manila to Subic Bay is 2 hours and 22 minutes. Alright, that's it. If you're interested in this property, please leave a comment and we will reply to you the other details you needed. And I hope you did enjoy watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next vlog. Bye!